Hello everyone, today in front of me I have Honor Magic 4 Pro smartphone, and in this video we would like to share the top 5 pro tips and features on this device. So first of all, let's go ahead and open up the setting, and the first feature that we would like to review in this video is the fingerprint unlock. So let's go ahead and enter the biometrics and password settings, or should I say category of settings. In here you'll find the fingerprint ID section that you want to tap on prior to enabling any biometrical unlock method. It is required that we have the backup screen lock method as well. The list of available methods that we can choose from is 4-digit PIN, custom PIN, pattern or password. I'll go with pattern myself, enter the pattern that I would like to use and confirm it. Now, we get forwarded to the fingerprint ID configurations page. There are quite a few toggles that we can turn on or turn off respectively. Therefore, we can set up, or should I say choose for what the fingerprint will be used. I'll go with unlock the device and start enrolling the fingerprint. So the scanner located right here, as you can see, and in order for your fingerprint to be enrolled, simply lay and lift it onto the sensor. Make sure to slightly rotate your finger each time you lay it onto the scanner to make sure that entire surface of your fingerprint gets scanned correctly. Just like so, gradually lay and lift. Don't be afraid to apply a slight force. Alrighty, and just like so, the enrollment of our fingerprint has been successfully executed. Now we can test it out. So let's lock our screen. Alrighty. So as you can see, the device gets unlocked with our finger without any issues, and fairly, it is very fast. The next feature that we would like to show is also another biometrical way of locking your screen, or unlocking should I say. That is called face recognition. So let's go ahead and set it up as well. In order for it to be enrolled, you've got to simply put your face inside this frame, which I'll do it off the screen. Alrighty, just follow the instructions and you will successfully enroll your face into the Face ID or face recognition feature. And now we can test it out as well. As you can see, our screen gets unlocked without any issues once I align my face with the frontal camera of the smartphone. It is slightly less quick than the fingerprint, but still a very convenient and secure way to lock your device. Alrighty, moving on to the next feature that we would like to show you in this video, and it is located at display and brightness category of settings. So let's enter it. It is called the screen refresh rate, and it allows you to set various values ranging from 60 Hz all the way up to 120. The higher you go, the silkier and smoother animations and interface experience you get, but at the same time it consumes significantly more battery power. Therefore, if you would like to conserve the battery, you can opt for smaller values. If not, just go ahead and set up either 90 or 120 Hz. There is also the force value, should I say, which is dynamic, and it will automatically switch between available values in accordance with the current state of your system as well as the battery state. Therefore, if your battery is not sufficient at the moment, it will opt for smaller values and vice versa. Alrighty, moving on to the next feature we would like to show you in this video, which is located at the home screen and wallpaper category and called AOD, or always on display. So in order for it to be activated, simply turn on this toggle. Then you can configure the display mode, so it can either be displayed once you tap at the screen, as it is currently. So I'll lock my screen. It should fade away slowly, as you can see, and once I tap on it, it will show the AOD. Next, there is the display mode, which is called scheduled, and once enabled, it will demonstrate the always on display only between certain set time frames that you can set yourself manually, of course. Or the all day display mode, which will simply make it so that the AOD will be displayed permanently. Next we have the appearance settings that we can set the design, this theme for AOD and how it will look like. I'll set this cute polar bear, for example. And there is also a toggle that allows us to decide whether we want for the date and time to be showed, as well as the notifications and battery. I'll make it so that everything will be showed, or should I say shown. There are also other variants, other options for the design, like graffiti, artistic, and analog clock, as well as digital ones. There is also my AODs button, which allows you to enter the themes Huawei application, and in here you will be able to upload your custom AOD themes. Alrighty, and moving on to the final tip that we would like to show you in this video, which is located at the battery category. So let's enter it, and in here we'll have the performance mode and power saving mode toggles, which should be activated by simply turning on the switch, as you can see. And obviously, once at the performance mode, you'll get the maximum performance from your smartphone, but the battery drains significantly faster, and vice versa as per the power saving mode. As you can see, those are like from the descriptions, those are the features that it provides and the logic of, well, it work. Basically, if you would like to conserve the battery, just go for the power saving mode. If you are playing some games or just generally want your device to work faster and swifter and deliver the maximum performance, just opt for the performance mode, just like so. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.